Step by step, here's the savory way to make mini cheesecakes with a chocolate pretzel crust. Preheat the oven to 325 degrees. Cover the bottom of the springform pans with parchment paper and grease the edges. Melt the butter in a saucepan. Grind the pretzels with the light brown sugar and melted butter in a food processor. Divide the mixture between the bottoms of the springform pans and press down firmly with the back of a spoon. Put a pot with an inch or two of water on the stove. Chop the chocolate coarsely. Place the chocolate in a bowl and set it over the pot, making sure the bowl does not touch the water. Melt the chocolate. Let the chocolate cool slightly. Meanwhile, cut the caramel into very small cubes. Separate 3 eggs and discard the whites. Use a mixer to beat the cream cheese with the cream and sugar until fluffy. Add the 3 whole eggs and 3 egg yolks. Add the melted chocolate and caramel and stir together. Divide the cream cheese mixture between the springform pans. Bake for about 45 minutes at 325 degrees. Let the cakes cool to room temperature on a wire rack. Cut around the edges with a knife to loosen the sides, and remove the cakes from the pans. Sprinkle the cakes with sea salt. That's how you make mini cheesecakes with chocolate pretzel crust.